When you mix castor oil and black seed oil in measured amounts, you create a very powerful end product that everyone should know about. Both of these oils have been known for their great healing abilities for centuries, but when mixed together like this, the resulting product is even more powerful and therapeutic than either of them. I'm Barbara O'Neill, and today I'll be showing you exactly how to prepare this awesome combination and enjoy the health benefits, such as improved vision, pain relief, digestion, hair growth, and even immune support. Number 1, the natural pain relief secret no one told you about. Let us start with its extraordinary ability to relieve aches and pains very quickly. Pain and inflammation slow you down, making everyday life harder than it should be. As we grow older, the possible sources of pain in the body quadruple. Arthritis can cause pain from joint inflammation or cartilage breakdown. Common workout routines can also cause pain from muscle strain, joint stress, or muscle and tendon overuse. Nerve compression and nerve damage can also cause severe nerve pains. I haven't even mentioned the different classes of severe headaches and migraines. No matter the source of the pain, this powerful mixture will give you quick and lasting relief. You won't need any additional medication, and you won't be having any side effects. I'm an advocate of natural health solutions, and this mixture is the perfect natural pain relief solution you need. Combining both oils creates a perfect natural remedy that doesn't only mask the pain, but also helps your body heal itself from within. You may be wondering how these component oils can be so effective. For starters, castor oil is not just an old school remedy, it's packed with ricinoleic acid. It's a powerful natural anti-inflammatory compound that can penetrate deep into muscles and joints. It can increase blood flow, reduce swelling, and relieve stiffness. This is why it's been effective against arthritis, muscle pain, and even menstrual cramps for centuries. Plus, it helps your body detox by promoting lymphatic drainage. Black seed oil, on the other hand, is equally loaded with thymoquinone, which is a potent antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory compound that blocks pain pathways and helps to reduce oxidative stress. Imagine your body is like a car and the engine is constantly running. As the engine runs, it produces tiny particles called free radicals, which can damage the car's interior and exterior over time. Antioxidants are like special cleaners that neutralize these free radicals and protect the car from damage. Black seed oil helps clean up free radicals in your body, reducing the risk of cell damage and diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Researchers have even seen that it can also help with nerve pain and osteoarthritis. Imagine the massive relief this would give anyone struggling with chronic discomfort. Now, let's break down how to prepare and apply the mixtures correctly for effective pain relief. The first step is to add 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil to 1 tablespoon of pure black seed oil. If you'd like an extra cooling effect with your mixture, you can also add a few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus oil for an extra cooling effect. Next, you need to warm up the mixture by placing it in a small bowl of hot water for a few minutes. Stick to this indirect heating method, as direct heat can reduce the oil's healing properties when the temperature is too high. Once the mixture is warm enough, massage it into the sore points. Apply directly to sore joints, muscles, or inflamed areas using circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. This will boost circulation and promote absorption. One more step I will recommend you take to lock in the relief is to cover the area with a warm towel or heating pad. Leave it for another 15 minutes in order to deepen penetration and enhance the effects. Do this daily, at least once or twice, for the best results. If you are suffering from arthritis, then I recommend you apply it before bedtime for overnight relief. If your target is muscle recovery, I recommend you apply it post-workout to ease any soreness. For those who experience nerve pain, you can combine it with gentle stretching to release tension in the affected area. And if you have recurrent headaches and migraines, go ahead and massage a small amount onto your temple and the back of your neck. This is just one out of the 4 health transformation wonders of this oil product that I intend to share with you in this video. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one I will be sharing is a real lifesaver. Number 2, a natural detox that transforms your digestion. Now that we've tackled pain relief, let's talk about how this remedy can cleanse your system and improve digestion. Have you ever heard the popular saying, "You are what you eat"? Your gut is the foundation of your health. But today, we have many modern diet stress and toxins that can throw it off balance. For many people, bloating, sluggish digestion, and toxin buildup are a direct result of their regular diet. This potent mixture of black seed oil and castor oil does a lot more than just relieve pain. It is also a gentle but powerful agent that helps to flush out toxins and restore gut health. The powerful remedy helps to cleanse and heal your digestive system. It's a natural digestive system reset for better energy, digestion, and overall wellness. One of the many benefits of castor oil, component ingredient, is that it can act as a gut cleanser. It is a well-known natural laxative and detoxifier. It helps to stimulate bowel movements and helps to flush out all sorts of wastes from the body. I told you about bloating. Well, this oil component has a rich content of ricinoleic acid. It helps with intestinal contractions and can easily reduce constipation and bloating naturally. Another benefit is that the oil boosts both lymphatic drainage and bile production. These activities ensure your liver efficiently removes toxins from your system. But that's not all. The second oil in our powerful natural remedy is even more important for your gut health. While castor oil cleanses the gut, black seed oil promotes healing and restoration in the gut. This ancient super oil produces effects that help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. It helps to regulate the bacteria in your gut, it eliminates harmful pathogens, and it nurtures and preserves your stomach's beneficial microbes. Inflammation in the gut lining also causes bloating, cramping, and discomfort. Swallowing the mixture soothes the inflammation and resolves the cramping and discomfort. When we talk about liver function, we mean how well your liver is performing. The black seed oil component of our mixture actively supports liver function. It reduces oxidative stress in the liver and prevents fat from accumulating in the liver. That means you'll never experience congestion or constipation again. Isn't that just wonderful? Together, castor oil and black seed oil complement one another in the mixture to create a powerful health booster like no other. They help cause a powerful digestive reset. They flush out toxins, optimize gut health, and enhance liver detoxification. These effects help you feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated. You too can learn how to prepare this powerful elixir and apply it on your own in 4 easy steps. You need half a teaspoon of high-quality black seed oil and 1 full tablespoon of castor oil. The first step is to mix them together in a small bowl. Then apply it topically by massaging the mixture onto your abdomen using circular motions. When you do, try to focus on the areas where the liver and intestines are located. That's above the stomach on the right side, just under the rib and below the stomach. Next, cover with a warm compress or heating pad for about 30 minutes. This will stimulate blood circulation and absorption. To optimize the positive impact on your gut health, always hydrate with plenty of water. This helps to flush out toxins. You also need to eat clean by loading up on fiber-rich foods. Try leafy greens, flax seeds, and chia seeds to support digestion. Cut out processed foods, excess sugar, and unhealthy fats. to prevent gut imbalances. Let's see how many of you are committed to trying this. If you're going to test out this powerful oil combo, type "I'm in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video so we can spread the word about natural healing. Next up, let's talk about the ultimate hair growth formula. Some cultures in the world believe that a woman's hair is her crown. Nobody wants a dry or itchy scalp or thinning hair. It becomes even more frustrating when you've tried expensive treatments and they still failed. The good news is that the same powerful oil blend that cleanses your gut can also help you solve your hair problem. It can restore your scalp's natural balance and stimulate hair growth. Our powerful oil mixture deeply hydrates and nourishes the hair follicles. This creates the perfect environment for stronger, shinier, and thicker hair. The reason this remedy works like magic for hair growth is that the oil's thick, nutrient-rich consistency locks in moisture. This prevents dryness, breakage, and split ends. It is perfect for damaged, brittle, or colour-treated hair that needs extra nourishment. The ricinoleic acid improves blood circulation in the scalp, thereby causing more oxygen and nutrients to flow to the scalp and promoting faster and healthier hair growth. The remedy also helps to fight harmful bacteria and fungi that attack the hair and scalp. It helps to tackle dandruff, flakiness, and itchy scalp issues at the source. It helps to turn dry, irritated scalps into a clean, healthy environment for hair to thrive. Hair strands with weak roots tend to fall out. The thymoquinone component also helps to strengthen hair follicles and reduce breakage. If you have either an oily scalp or a dry scalp, this remedy will help you regulate your natural sebum levels. Sebum is a natural oily substance that helps to moisturize and protect the skin. It will also help prevent clogged follicles and flakiness. It gives you a balanced, healthy scalp that encourages steady hair growth. Now the fun part, preparing and applying it on your own. You create this ultimate hair oil by mixing 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of black seed oil in a small bowl. You can add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oils for an extra boost. These two are scientifically proven to accelerate hair growth too. Next, apply the oil product to your hair by rubbing it in and using your fingertips to gently massage the oil into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This will stimulate blood circulation to your scalp and enhance the absorption of nutrients. If you have dry, brittle hair, apply the oil to mid-lengths and ends to prevent split ends and boost shine. After that, just leave the oil treatment on for at least 1 hour or overnight for deeper nourishment and let it work its magic. I also recommend you cover your hair with a shower cap or warm towel to enhance penetration. Finally, you can use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo to remove the oil. You may need 2 washes to fully rinse it out. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times a week, and you will begin to notice improvements in your hair texture, thickness, and growth. For those of you who have applied this wonderful product to your hair before, please share your experience with us in the comments below. Let's encourage others in the community to learn and try it out too. Next up, it's time to discover how this rich oil blend strengthens your immune system and keeps you protected from illnesses. Number 4, a natural shield for your immune system. Nations have their Defense Department and military to keep them safe, but your body only has its immune system. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness. If you want a stronger immune system, then you need this ultimate oil remedy. Our immune system is always exposed to toxins, stress, poor diet, and pollutants in the environment. There is a way to fight back and be safe. That way is by adopting this natural oil booster. This powerful oil mixture is one of the most reliable ways to supercharge your body's defenses. You won't need to rely on drugs or synthetic medications after this. This powerful combination will help you fight infections from the outside. It will help you detoxify your system from the inside and also keep your immune system in peak condition. The thymoquinone is a powerful compound that stimulates white blood cell production. These cells are your body's first line of defense against infections. They are like a highly trained SWAT team that rapidly responds to emergencies. They swarm to the site of infection, engulfing and destroying pathogens with precision and speed. Thymoquine supercharges their production in the blood. Secondly, you have a lymphatic system which acts like a waste removal highway for your immune system. When applied topically, it stimulates lymphatic circulation and flushes out toxins. Inflammation is the root cause of many illnesses in the body. Thankfully, our oil mixture contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds. These help to calm the body, reduce stress on the immune system, and prevent disease. It is also highly effective against colds, flu, microbial action, and viral infections. The oil provides natural protection against harmful invaders directly before they can even take hold in the system. There are 3 separate methods by which you could prepare and use this oil mixture when it comes to immunity and fighting diseases. For use as a daily internal immune boost, mix half a teaspoon of both oils in warm tea or mix it with raw honey for a natural infection-fighting impact. For extra benefits, you can add fresh lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C, to amplify immune defense. The second method is to prepare it for topical application. I recommend the topical application for detox and lymphatic activation. Simply massage the oil mixture onto your abdomen, focusing on the liver area to stimulate the lymphatic system. Then apply a warm compress or heating pad for 30 to 45 minutes to enhance detoxification and circulation. Repeat this process twice or thrice a week for optimal immune benefits. The third method is the steam inhalation method for those who want to boost their respiratory health. Just add a few drops of the oil mixture to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam to clear congestion and fight respiratory infections. For extra relief, rub a small amount of oil blend mixed with coconut oil onto your chest to ease breathing during colds and flu. I can promise you that by adding castor oil and black seed oil to your wellness routine, you'll be giving your body the natural support it needs to fight off infections, detoxify, and stay resilient all year long. So that's all for today. We've covered 4 incredible ways that the powerful oil mixture obtained by combining castor oil and black seed oil can heal and protect you. The product is powerful for pain relief, detoxification, hair growth, and immune support. If you want a step-by-step guide on how 1 spoon of olive oil a day helps to melt fat and boost your brain power, then you need to watch my next video. I'll be revealing this little-known health secret and the scientific studies that will help you understand this breakthrough and optimize your health. Click the link on the screen or in the description now, and I'll see you there.